Have you ever thought about how solar energy can power appliances in our home, equipment in business buildings, even vehicles? It is all possible due to one invention that has impacted the whole world. I'm going to teach you about Russell O, the inventor of the solar panels, and how they function. With the world's population constantly growing, we need a more reliable and renewable resource. Solar panels are both reliable and renewable. First, let me talk about the inventor, Russell O. Second, I will discuss about the invention. Third, I will explain how the solar panels function themselves. The picture is from Garcia-Hernandez, Nicholas, Associated Press. Inventor publishes solar panels. Newswire, Web. First, let's talk about how Russell came up with the idea for solar panels. When O saw his first radio receiver and heard his first broadcast, he was intrigued on electron waves. He took a course in college on electron tubes and examined frequencies that were later used in radars, FM radios, televisions, and microwaves. In 1876, William Adams and Richard Day discovered that electric current could be produced on selenium by exposing light to it. In 1884, American inventor Charles Frick created the first solar cell using the selenium. O used both of their discoveries to create his first solar panel in 1951. He was a smart kid growing up, and his studies helped his invention grow and create a better use for solar energy. His panel is indeed a great invention. The source is from Lisa Skyland, Trailing Edge, Science and Context, Web. Next, let's talk about the invention itself. In Paris and the Dutch city of Amsterdam are 16,000 solar panels that connect into a tunnel that allowed the train to move high speed solely on solar power. It's really nice, and it transports the citizens from all over the countries just using solar energy. The solar panels produce energy for high-speed trains in Europe. Civil engineering, science and technology collection, Web. Panels produce more energy than the traditional electric system. As this shows here, a traditional system produces about 347 watt-hours per square meter, while the average on a solar panel produces 594 watt-hours per square meter. Solar panels are the cheapest option to get the 30% of the world without electricity powered for the first time. By 2020, the developed countries hope to have the less developed or developing countries connected and powered using solar energy. Many different countries and communities use solar panels now, and more are bound to grow and start using it too. Then this information is from Nancy L. Potina's Integrated Solar Panel, Civil Engineering, Science and Technology Connection, Web. Last, I'll explain how the panels work. The panels have different layers and each have a distinct function. The first layer is the protective layer, and that is just a transparent polymer coating that protects the photovoltaic layer but still allows it to hit sunlight. The photovoltaic layer just generates electricity. The thermoelectric layer starts to transmit electricity through all the other layers and the whole panel itself. The FMG, or the functioning graded material layer, is a mixture of polymer and metal particles that capture the heat and energy and use it to power whatever it may be. And the last layer is the substrate layer, and that is solely a structure support for the whole panel. The energy is captured and can be stored or used immediately. Over the years, these panels have gotten better and improved greatly. The layers work together to function and create energy. Soon, more people will be using them all around the world. The information is from Thermal Energy Performance of a Solar Panel, Science Technology Collection, Joel Lamson, Stewart and Burr, Webb. Overall, the solar panel is an excellent invention and useful for many purposes. Save people money over time, and they are more affordable now than when they first came out. I believe more countries will see the benefits of the solar panels and start trying them and using them. Since the very first panel, the designs have gotten better and improved and advanced greatly than before. So next time you use electricity, think of the differences between a solar panel and electrical system. The solar panel is reliable and renewable. That saves you money